We have to use L'Hopital's rule to find the limit. So let's check first if we can use this rule. We have to first replace t by pi over 2. In numerator, we will have 1 minus sine of pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 in numerator, and in denominator we will have cosine of 2 times pi over 2. Let me write this. We have cosine of 2 times pi over 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have cosine pi. Cosine pi is equal negative 1. So we have negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Let me write this. Here is negative 1. So we got indeterminate form 0 over 0. When we have 0 over 0 or infinity, positive or negative over positive or negative infinity, we can use L'Hopital's rule. It means we have to copy the limit and find the derivative of function which is in numerator and derivative of function which is in denominator. So this is equal limit as t approaches pi over 2. In numerator we have derivative of subtraction, so we have derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of sine is cosine of t, and in denominator we have derivative of cosine 2t. It means we have to use formula derivative of cosine u over dt. This is equal derivative of cosine is negative sine of u times du over dt. So in our case we will have negative sine of 2t times derivative of 2t is 2 plus derivative of 1 is 0. So this is equal limit as t approaches pi over 2. In numerator we have negative cosine of t, and in denominator we will have, I can put first 2, negative 2 times sine of 2t. Now we have to check what will be when we substitute t by pi over 2. In numerator, let me write this, we will have negative cosine of pi over 2, and in denominator we will have negative 2 times sine of 2 times pi over 2. So we can reduce 2 with 2, and we have cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So we have 0 in numerator, and in denominator we have negative 2 times sine of pi. Sine of pi is 0, so negative 2 times 0 is 0. So again we got indeterminate form 0 over 0. It means we can use the L'Hopital's rule again. So this is equal, we copy limit as t approaches pi over 2, and we have to find the derivative of function which is in numerator and the derivative of function which is in denominator. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. We have to copy this negative, and we have negative sine again, sine of t. And in numerator we have negative 2 times sine of 2t. So like always when we have constant we have to copy this constant, And now we have to find the derivative of sine of 2t. To find the derivative, we will use formula d of sine of u over d over t is equal, derivative of sine is cosine of u times du over dt. So we have cosine of, in our case, u is equal to t, times derivative of 2t is 2. So this is equal, we have limit as t approaches pi over 2, and in numerator we have negative times negative is positive, sine t, and in denominator we have negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4 cosine of 2t. Now again we have to check first what will be when we substitute t's by pi over 2. So we will have, let me write this here in brackets, we have sine of pi over 2 over negative 4 times cosine of 2 times pi over 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce. Sine of pi over 2 is equal 1. We have negative 4 times cosine of pi is equal negative 1. So this is equal 1 over 4. We got constant numbers, so our limit as t approaches pi over 2 of our function is equal 1 over 4. This is my solution.